We'll sacrifice this one. What's going on, guys? Kevin here with Spangs World. Are you tired of the shop lighting in here? I know I am. Every time I'm editing it, it looks all yellow and stuff, so hopefully those days are over. Ended up getting some LED lights off Amazon. If you saw the last couple videos in the other shop, that we used them in there, it was just 4 of them, and it brightened it all up pretty good. We're gonna put a couple of these. We're gonna end up putting some of these 4-foot LED linkable shop lights in here. There you got the black ends with the 6500 Kelvin. Should lighten this place up really good. Are the individual packaged lights in here. All right, we got the 4-pack, those lights and stuff. These are 4 foot long. Let's pull one of them out so we can actually see them. Hardware that comes in with each light, got 2 chains, a couple hooks, different hooks depending on what you need. These can just go up in your drywall or something in your garage. Obviously this is all metal in here, so we don't need any of that. We'll just use the hooks. I ended up getting some of these 5/16 nuts, because we can just bolt them straight into the side here with the Quonset Hut bolts. Here's your light itself. These feel pretty flimsy and just cheaply made, but they light up really good. Basically just run your hooks here on the side, bolt them up, and you're good to go. Then you can link them all together. So these are all linked together. These 2 on that side, these 2 on that side. That way all you have to do is do the one switch and they all turn on. Well, yeah, that should get us some good light in here. Whoa, that flexed actually. It was just but I guess you could bend it. Sacrifice one light, I guess, see what happens. Just plastic too, so I mean, whatever, you can't even tell if it's on. I guess you can flex it wherever you want. We'll sacrifice this one. All it is that strip. All it is a strip right here of LEDs. If anyone's familiar with it, it's probably just stuck in there on the tube. But, I mean, we just bent it. Still turns on. Didn't come unplugged. Still turns on just fine. You can bend this thing, whatever. 90 degrees. I mean, it's really cheap, just plastic tube. You can see where it's cracking for the tube itself. But I mean, their lights are not really meant for. See where it's bent. See where we bent it at, but you're most likely not going to be swinging this thing around. One cool thing I like about this, I did it in one of the other videos, working here on the dash or something. It worked pretty good for a work light, and it's cheap enough where if you did destroy it. But now you can easily see you got this light in here and work on whatever. But yeah, that lights that space up really easily for cheap versus some of these shop lights you get out there. All the ribs are 2 feet apart, so we'll just go every other one, but we'll come 2 off. There's a hook already up here where there used to be a light, but we got the bolts and stuff, so we'll end up just using those nuts. We'll just end up using the nuts to secure each side and then go all the way down, move that light out of the way. We only got 4, so I think we're gonna go 2 and 2 on here and then 2 more in the middle for now, and then end up getting at least 4 more, if not 8 more, depending on how these light up, and do the rest of the shop. All right, guys, we got the first one hung here. Let me shut these doors so we can maybe get a little bit better feel for how light this will be or not. All right. Here's the old light, new light. Turn this on. Oh yeah, look how much wider that is. And now that we got the one in there, I think we'll go 3 down this row first, and then 1 further back, and then move this longer light back here in the corner somewhere where it's kind of out of the way, not so yellowy. But I do like that so far. In. I didn't put the 8-footer back up there in the corner. I might just set it on the shelf or something and light it up if needed, because I'll probably, by the time this video comes out, I'll already order another set, and there's no reason to put that one up and take it right back down. All this stuff's lit up pretty good and stuff over in this area. The back, pretty dark in the back. Camera's making up for that, but a lot more natural looking, I think, at least on camera right now, versus the yellow that we were getting before. We'll probably order 8 more lights, I think, and put them in here, and then that should light this up extremely good. Might move that row down 1 and then just go every other spot. We'll probably play around with it, I'm sure, figure out an ideal area for it all. But other than that, pretty happy with it so far. You can actually see in here, so. Put a link down in the description for these. They're on Amazon. They had like 11,600 some odd reviews on it with like a 4.5 star rating. So apparently they're pretty popular and stuff. As far as I could tell, they were the most popular LED light from my search at least. And got a real good review. And they're pretty cheap too, roughly $13 a light. They come in a 4-pack at $54, I believe. But yeah, as you can see when I was bending it and stuff, it seemed pretty durable. Can't do that with the actual regular light, but you probably couldn't even tell which light from down here that it is. You can see a little bit of a crease in it from here, but who cares, whatever. Did it for YouTube, but yeah, get those other lights in here, light it up, and we'll be good to go. Give this video a thumbs up if it was helpful. Subscribe if you're not already. Comment down below if you think these lights are better. Or if this is something that you would even do at your shop or your garage or something. I think we're going to put a couple of them in the garage also. And I'll see you guys all in the next one. Peace.